Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Cadillac XT5, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now, let me show you how we complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. In order to gain access to our wire harness, we need to lower the hitch beauty panel with a 7mm socket. You now need to remove plugs from two different wire harnesses by pulling back on the red locking tab and removing the plug. For the second adapter, simply depress the tab and remove. Plug each end of the harness into the respective adapters. Be sure to return the red locking tab. We are now ready to install the wire bracket onto the 7-way socket. We need to make sure that the flange of the bracket is facing outward and that the door can flip up, as we will install it like this. First, connect the socket to the bracket using provided hardware. Tighten the hardware using a Phillips head screwdriver and 3/8 socket. Now plug the 7-way harness into the socket. Now install the 7-way socket and the bracket. Tighten with a screwdriver and a 3/8 socket. You can now secure the excess wiring to a wire harness already on the vehicle using the provided zip ties. Return the beauty panel when the hitch and wiring are no longer in use. That concludes trailer wiring for your Cadillac XT5. Please remember to practice safe trailering. We can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.